everyone, Amanda here, just sharing my latest journal, which I have used Artemis Butterfly Blue add-on kit. I've absolutely loved making this one. Every single journal I make is automatically my favourite, and I put a lot of time and love and attention into them. So this one is roughly Traveller's Notebook size, roughly 4.5 cover, 4.25 pages by roughly 8.5. And it's a soft cover, but it's very sturdy at the same time. Okay, I've done a hidden stitching, and it is 2 layers of very thick cardstock. We've got Tyvek in there to protect where the stitching is, and then this is a very thick textured, embossed and glittered, very subtly glittered wallpaper that my lovely friend Kay gave me last time I was down at her house, which feels like forever ago. And it's covered this beautifully. It was a bit of a monkey to stick on. I've had to use glossy accents in some places, but I got it all to stay, and it's absolutely beautiful. So the front here I've just used the add-on kit and made all ephemera myself. Sometimes I just print out loads and loads of digital beautiful pages and use those as the main pages. This is very much a writing journal with lots and lots of papers in, and then I've used the kit just to decorate. So I've made this myself, this topper. It's just card. I've stamped on it, I've inked it, I've sewn it, I've done a bit of decoupage. This is actually from a different kit from Artemis. Is it Nature's Journey, I think? Not sure, I can never remember. And then this here, little bits, I've cut, made my fake stamp, got some Sari silk under there, and then we've got the word reflections, and this is just a little ticket that I've slid under there. We've got eyelet closures with some beautiful seam binding, which I've dyed using inks. You can see the colour on my fingers there, look. I've used a beautiful, beautiful ink called Misty Moonlight to dye that. It's absolutely stunning. Yeah, I love, love, love seam binding closures. They just feel really pretty and girly and luxurious. So inside here, so I've done my tea dyed paper in this one all the way through, and I've also used a Tim Holtz stencil to decorate the pages. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit without it going out of focus. So on the bottom here I've done a little tiny spot of collaging by cutting out some butterflies. We've got some stenciling and some stamping there, and you can see this lovely mottled tea dyed effect that I've got. It's beautiful. Stitched all the way around, we've got a little ticket there, and then on this side here we've got a decorated paper clip there, and that comes off, and we've got a beautiful envelope here from the kit with a journaling card. Okay, and then this flips out so you can write on it, and I have got a decorative edge punch on there, and again it's all been sewn, and all of the coffee dyed paper, all of the papers have all been inked around the edge as well, every single page. Okay, and then we've got a postcard here. I've doubled over, sewn, and then here's some large ephemera from the old design shop. Okay, and that all sits in there, and then fold that over, and then that goes, it went like that, didn't it? Went like that, did it? I've forgotten how it goes now. No, the postcard was there, and the envelope was in there, and then we have the ticket here with the little, I'll put that back in a minute. And then on this page here I have done, and you might just see that, it's a hidden paper clip. So basically you sandwich a paper clip between pieces of card, and that will slide on and off. You won't actually see the paper clip underneath. I've used a ticket there, I've added the word flourish and some diamante trim, and then I have doubled up the butterfly so it's 3D there, and then this I've actually made into a really teeny tiny notebook. We're just using scraps and cut it to the same shape as the banner there, and then the other side is just a pretty banner. I've added a fussy cut butterfly, a little part of a ticket that I've cut off, the word peaceful, and some more diamante trim. Okay, so this is a large doily. I cut it down so that it would fit. Okay, this is ledger paper. We've got stenciling on there. stenciling on that one, and we've got a tab, and that is also like bookkeeping paper. This is a digital print of lined paper from one of Angela's kits with some stenciling on. I've double-sided it. As I say, I wanted lots of writing room in here, so this is like tissue paper stenciled on there, and this is a vintage bill or large receipt there that I've got from Old Design Shop. Tea stained on the back, stenciled. Then here we've got one of my pockets that I've made myself. I've got a video, it'll either be before this video or after this video showing you how I've made that, and then I've just loaded it with ephemera. We've got a large tag, we've got a small tag, we've got a mini notebook here. Mini notebook, I've just used the scraps when I've cut off the sides to make it to the inside. You get offcuts and I just make them into little notebooks. And then we've loaded the bottom pocket here with loads of little tickets. That one says Adore, I think that's a Tim Holtz one. Theatre, butterflies, and then a plain one. And then here is decorated. I made a big cluster. You know, a big long line of just sticking things on, and then I sewed it all with my sewing machine and then cut it up as you need it. So I've cut part of that and stuck it on the bottom of there, and the background is all stenciled, and we've got the word Stay Positive. Okay, beautiful stenciling. I love that stencil. It's the Tim Holtz I think it's called Flourish. It's beautiful. So here we've got another one of the tabs. We've got more vintage paper, done some stamping on there, dictionary paper, and you can write on it, you can stick things on, you could put photos on, stick your receipts on. Here we've got more tea dyed, we've got a journaling card there, and then we've got an envelope and a jewelled dangle paper clip. The other side there we've got the envelope. I've added one of the faux stamps, and there's a journaling card in there. Behind there is all stenciled. More beautiful writing paper. You can see that I have inked every single piece of paper, has all been inked. This is my tea dyed. Beautiful, beautiful colouring in that. Okay, more vintage ephemera with coffee staining on the back, which is a printable, free printable from Artie Mays. This is from one of her kits. More of the tissue, more vintage ephemera, and then here I've just got a little vellum bag with a couple of tickets and just a little journaling card held on with another jewelled paper clip. Beautiful stenciling there again, all sewn. And then the other side we've got this pocket, corner tuck or whatever they call them. This is part of the add-on kit, and I have decorated it with half a doily, a plain ticket, a butterfly that I fussy cut from the kit. The word determined there, that comes from a freebie on Artie May's Facebook page. And then we've got this lovely long pocket, which like envelope, which is part of the kit, and there's a journaling card in there, but I'm not getting it out. And then here's another one of my little pockets that I made. There's the centre signature, and I've just glued the ties between a circle. We've got more of the cluster that I made, where I've just got bits and bobs from the kit, and you just rip them up, stick them on like a little collage, sew it. So again, here we've got a tag. I've put some jewels on the top there just for fancy, and I've jewelled the little butterfly there that goes in the back pocket. And then the smaller one here, I've put some sari silk on that one. We've got another little notebook that's plain tea dyed paper, and another set of tickets. That one says Live. Okay, beautiful, love that. Plain for writing. That's the back of one of the journal thingies. More of that paper lined. Here we've just got a little envelope. There's a journaling card inside there. More paper for writing, lined, beautiful. Vintage ephemera that's come from the Old Design Shop. There's something to look at on every page. I've just stamped on the back of that one, which is the back side of a bill, more ledger paper and a tab. And then here is another fold out page with a dangle. So we've got an envelope. If I take that off, that opens out, and we've got two postcard journaling cards, and you can write all on there. Let's put that back. lovely jewelled. I'm going to have to make some more of these, I'm running out. And then here is one of those lovely flip out pockets. They're brilliant, these. So they go like this, and then it all flips out, and that will flip down, and you can write on it, and then you can put it all back together like that. So that's what that is. So it's all, I've stenciled it. We've got a cluster on there with some diamante trim. I've added some ephemera, some tags that have been stitched. We've got seam binding on them, and then I've made some journaling cards backed with tea-dyed paper and sewn around with butterfly theme. Okay, and that will all slide back in there, and then there's a larger one. So there's lots going on in there. There's lots of room for stuff. It's ace, and that's on the back of a. Looks like I've got a bit of something on there, but never mind. More of that, more beautiful line, for lots of room for writing. This would make a beautiful, you know, not just a decorative journal but functional for writing as a diary, as a travel journal, prayer journal, all sorts of things you can use these for. Okay, and then on this back page here we've got another corner tuck there. I've added a butterfly and a ticket going that way instead of that way. We've got some cheesecloth and the word sunshine, and this is loaded again with journaling cards, and that's got lined on it. That's folds out. I think it's like it opens out. I can't be bothered to take them all out. And then and then here I've got several tickets. You can write on the back of those as well. Okay, a large paper clip to hold it all in, and then on that side, that's one of those journaling cards that just folds out like for writing in, and that's it. And then that's the back page, which I've left plain because I think there's enough going on in this journal. I don't think I needed to overload it with any more pockets. So there we go. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful kit to work with. It will be going for sale in my Etsy shop soon. By the time you see this video, it should be up there for sale. Alright, thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.